Yeah, everyone, today we are looking at a question like this. Now, as you can see over here, it says that an egg seller had 2070 eggs. Okay, so what we want to do first is, of course, write down that 2070 is the total. All right, now then sentence number two, it says 20% of the eggs broke. So we know broke is 20%. Now, what I always encourage my students to do is to change 20% to a fraction. And we know that 20 over 100, okay, is the fraction, but we can always simplify it to 1 over 5. When I say that this is 1 over 5, I am saying that this is 5 over 5, right? So you must always make sure when you do 1 over 5, you don't just keep to there, but you have to times because of the word of. All right, so 1 over 5 times 2070, we get to 414. That is broke. Now, then, of course, the other one is basically not broken. Okay, so then we know that it's 2070 minus away 414. All right, 2070 minus away 414, we get to 1656. What did he do? He threw this away, so they're all gone. All right, of course, you don't have to do it this way, but I'm just trying to show it to you. So these are all threw away, all right? And he packed the rest as in whatever that I have calculated to be 1656 of the eggs in carton. Okay, now then what happens is this, right? They say that one carton can either be 6 or one carton can be 12. All right, so it's all. Can you see that? Okay, now, so over here it says that he packed 181 cartons of eggs. Now, of course, we don't know, right? Because these 181 cartons could be some with 6 and some with 12. Now, the question A can be answered. The question A, first part of the question says, how many eggs were packed in cartons? We know that the answer has to be 1656. Now, the next thing you want to do is, of course, right, to find how many cartons of eggs contain 6 eggs. So from here itself, we know that we are doing assumption. Okay, why assumption? Because I have two possibilities, right? So I'm going to assume that all are in cartons of 12 eggs. Okay, and if I were to times, I'm going to do, what am I going to do since this person packed 181 cartons? So I'm just going to do 181 times 12. We get to 2172, and then I'm going to find the extra. The extra is simply just 2172 minus the actual, which is 1656. Okay, 2172 minus 1656, we get to 516. My difference has to be 12 minus 6. What is this difference? This is single difference. Okay, so 12 minus 6, the difference in one carton. Okay, now then, of course, my opposite will then actually be 516 divided by 6. Why? Because the opposite's formula is E over D. E as in the E extra over here, over the D as in the difference. So 516 divided by 6, we get to 86 cartons. Okay, now then, of course, you want to check, right? So 86 cartons, what cartons? 86 cartons of 6 eggs. Okay, but you want to check first. So you do 86 times 6 plus how many other eggs are from 12? So very simple. Since you have a total of 181 cartons, if 86 are for 6 eggs, then the rest will be 181 minus 86, which is equals to 95. This 95, they are for 12 eggs. Okay, so you simply just do 95 times 12. You should get back to the answer of 1656. If you don't get that, then you are wrong. And if you get that, then you are obviously correct. Okay, so when you add them up together, you get to 1656. Therefore, this is checked. But please be very careful. Okay, some students, they write this as the answer, but you know that's not the answer, right? The answer has to be the one over here, and therefore your answer for B has to be 86 cartons.